This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by sfranks. Space and beauty all in one. Enjoy the peaceful sunset on the beautiful back porch. See it through the trees of the spacious greenbelt that backs up to the property. This spacious, single-story floor plan offers a desirable split-bedroom layout in a highly sought-after neighborhood. This well-maintained home offers crisp white cabinets and beautiful concrete countertops that contribute to a dazzling kitchen. The property sits in a brilliant location with a great swing driveway. For more information, review the details below or contact sfranks at 903-870-8485.